Why is it that a single punctuation mark, or the total absence of one, can feel like a social catastrophe? In our digital age, silence isn't just golden, it's deafening. When a heartfelt message is met with a read receipt and no reply, our brains enter a spiral of enlightened wonder and dark anxiety. Welcome to the seen message paradox. Meet Mia. She's just sent a giant wall of text to her friend, brimming with excitement, emojis, and perfect grammar. She's used his problem-solving abilities to plan the perfect day. In an instant, Mia's world plunges into turmoil. This is the first point of tension. Is K short for, okay, sounds great? Or K as in, I'm annoyed and don't want to talk to you? Because digital communication lacks the 70% of information we usually get from body language and tone, the brain treats this K like one of the questions no one knows the answers to. To fill the void of missing data, our minds often dig deeper into the most negative interpretations possible. To solve this puzzle, we must look at pragmatics. This is a basic literacy skill for the digital age. It helps us understand the inexplicable parts of a conversation. In digital talk, punctuation tells us the tone or feeling of a message. Sure, with an exclamation point, feels happy and warm. Sure, with a period can feel mean or cold. The period isn't just ending a sentence, it feels like ending the friendship. Mia realizes that the paradox only exists if you allow the silence to speak for you. By understanding the path logic of digital linguistics, we can move beyond the inexplicable and foster better problem solving in our relationships. Do you want to master the hidden codes of modern English? Dig deeper with our additional resources on fun English lessons. Feed your curiosity, and as always, keep learning.